Hello everyone, my name is Maha Kasturi, 18 BEC 2000. I am pursuing third year BTech Electronic and Communication Engineering in BAT Vellore. Today I am going to present my COA subject Digital Assignment 1. I chosen a microcontroller 8XC251SP is sold by a company named Intel. Okay, I am going to proceed 10 questions with the answer related to my IC. Okay, we can start. Okay, first I'm going to tell about first draw the clear block diagram of the microprocessor or microcontroller or IP code selected. This DA1 I am selected a microcontroller, so I am going to draw the block diagram of my microcontroller. Okay, this is the block diagram. You can see here I use the online tool for drawing purpose. The tool name is draw.io. If you want to use any other online tool, you can use this. Here I am used draw.io. Okay, see this one. Okay, you can see all the parts of the block diagram, all ports, 4 boards, and then ALU, register file, ROM and RAM, and then what the timers are counters, PCA, serial input or output, peripherals interface, and the interrupt handler, all the things in the block diagram. Okay, and then we going to move another one. The second one is the give the internal diagram of each and every block. The CPU. Okay, CPU means central processor unit. This is the block diagram of CPU. CPU contains DST, ALU, register file, data memory interface, SRC2, and then instructor sequencer. Okay, this is the diagram, block diagram. Here also I am used the same tool. What draw.io. Here you can see. Okay, I think you can understand. And the next I move to the definition of the clock and reset unit and the on-chip ROM and on-chip RAM. Okay, so what is clock and reset unit? Basically the timing source for the 8XC251SP can be an external oscillator or an internal oscillator with an external crystal or resonator. Okay, the basic unit time in MCS 251 microcontrollers is the state time, which is 2 oscillator periods. The state time is divided into phase 1 and phase 2, and this microcontroller peripherals operate on a peripheral cycle which is 6 state times. And then on chip RAM, and this microcontroller have 1 kilobyte RAM, and it can be contain 3 addressing modes, includes direct, indirect, and displacement addressing. And then the 96 of the locations are bit addressable, and an additional 32 bytes of on-chip RAM provides storage for the 4 banks of registers R0 to R7. And then on-chip code memory. This microcontroller, some ICs like 83C251SP and 87C251SP, memory location 000H2 3FFFH are implemented with 60 kilobytes of on-chip code memory. And then here we can move the second question. What is the instruction set of the microcontroller? And then include the clock cycle required, missile cycle required, memory required, flocks affected, type of instruction based on addressing modes and operation, etc. Okay, first we will see the clock cycle. There is 6 stages are there. One stage contain 2 cycles, so total 12 clock cycles there. And then it contain 2 timer, timer 0 and timer 1. Timer 0 contain a mode, 4 type of mode: timer mode 1, mode 2, mode 3, and mode 0. So timer 0 we will see. Timer 0, mode 0 contain a 3-bit timer. 3-bit means 8-bit only we are going to use, but another 5 bits are prescaler, so we didn't use anything. And then mode 1. Mode 1 is the 16-bit timer, and it's not auto reloaded. We going to reload every time of loops. And then mode 2 basically contained 8-bit timer with auto reload. There is no need for reloading. Okay. And then mode 3 is two 8-bit timers. We usually didn't use mode 3. We commonly used mode 0, mode 1 and mode 2 in all other microcontroller applications. And then we are going to move timer 1, and there is no difference between timer 1 and timer 0, only the name difference only. So same timer 1 also have 4 mode: timer mode 0, mode 1, mode 2, mode 3, all the things are same only. Okay. And then we are going to see addressing modes for MCS or 51 architecture. There is 4 modes are there: register mode and immediate, direct and indirect. There is so many addressing modes is there commonly, but in my microcontroller there is only 4 mode only: register, immediate and direct and indirect. Okay. And then addressing mode for control instructions. Okay, control, the first 4 types is the data instruction, and then other 5 are controlled instructions. Okay. And then addressing mode for bit instructions. Okay. And then you can see the diagram and the tabulation. You can clearly clarify your any doubts. Okay. And then another instruction are compare conditional jump instructions. There is a unsigned sign, the both have the condition jump instruction. And then addressing mode for data instruction in the MCS 251 architecture. It's also have a register mode, immediate type of so many type of 2-bit, 8-bit, 60-bit, and then direct 8 address, direct 16-bit address, and then indirect address bytes 16 and 24, and displacement 16 address bits and 24 address bits. You can see the tabulation. And then operation, there is 2 operation: up operation and down operation. Up means up counter, down means down counter. It is basically defined by DCEN. If DCEN is equal to 0, then timer 2 operates upon up counter. If DCEN equal to 1, then timer 2 operates either up counter or down counter. Okay, you can see this one. And then we are going to third question. What is this? Explain microprocessing element architecture. Okay, see, core CPU. The early pages we seen about CPU block diagram something. Here the explanation of CPU. And then the main concept is the instruction are sent over the 16-bit code bus to the execution unit. You can configure the 8X251 SP to operate in page mode for accelerate instruction fetches from external memory. Okay, see this one. And then clock and reset are the same one. And the interrupt handler can receive interrupt request from 11 sources, 7 maskable sources, and the TRAP instructions. And then on chip code memory, on chip RAM. And then the next one thing is on chip peripherals. Okay, what is on chip peripherals? The on chip peripherals which lie outside the core perform specialized functions. Software access the peripherals via the special function registers, SFRs. And then the ATEX C251SP has 4 peripherals: the watching timer, the timer or counters, the programmable counter array, and the serial input or output port. Okay, the serial input or output port provides only synchronous and 3 asynchronous communications mode. So 4, okay, 1 synchronous and 3 asynchronous communications mode. The synchronous modes is half duplex. The serial port output a clock signal 1 pin and transmit or receive data on another pin. The asynchronous mode are full duplex. Full duplex means the port can send and receive simultaneously. Mode 1 uses a serial frame of 16 bits. And then correlate the microprocessing element architecture with architecture discussed in module 1. So module 1 we usually discussed with IIS architecture. It also referred to microcontroller. Okay, and then elaborate register organization for microprocessing element. This is the register files. You can see here the register file have a register file locations 32 to 55 are reserved, and registered bank 0 to 3, and then byte registers and word register and dword register, three type of contain a register files. Okay, this is the register file bank selection: bank 0, bank 1, 2 and 3. So register bank 0 to 3, the address range to start 00 to 1FH, and this is a PSW selection. And then byte, word and dword registers. WR4 is a word register consisting of registers 4 and 5. DR4 is a dword register consisting of registers 4 to 7. Okay, R4 is the byte register consisting of location 4. Here you can see register in the register file and their corresponding special function registers. Here you can see register file usually contains stack pointer high and then stack pointer and data pointer extend low and high, and then base register and accumulator, and the special function register contained stack pointer high and then data pointer what dptr high and data pointer high and low, the same thing. Okay, I am moving to next one. Next question is the type of algorithm used for signed or unsigned calculations like addition, multiplication and divisions. So this is a flowchart for unsigned multiplication. You see here I am used to draw online tool this diagram, you can see, and this is for unsigned division. This diagram for non-restoring, and the next one is the restoring division. The restoring and non-restoring, the flowchart will be a little bit different only. Okay, you can easily understand the concept. And the next one is the find what type of control logic unit used and correlate its performance with the type of control unit in module 3 in the COS syllabus. Here you can see control unit. The instruction registers contain a control unit. The flock and clock will be input of control unit. The output will be getting control signal with the CPU control signal from control bus, control signals to control bus. Control bus. Okay, and then opcode. So opcode we contain a move R8 #55H. The opcode for this instruction is in the 8x C251SP is the 7E. Okay, and then instruction timing, and then functionality and timing, and timers are counters. As counters, it can count to the speed of F oscillated by 21 input from T0 and T1 or T2 pins. Timer 2 can be also be used as up or down counter, or it can be output of 50% duty cycle clock with the maximum clock rate of F oscillated by 4 or T2 pin. Okay, then we are going to explain memory management system in the processing element selector, and then list its addressing capabilities, memory mapping technique followed, and then advantage of memory design and management techniques over the concept given in module 4 in the COS syllabus. So module 4 the memory design is a OTP ROM and ROM memory. Here you can see, and then elaborate the pipeline and parallel processing capabilities of the unit and hazard management technique. The microcontroller ATEX C251SP CPU is designed with an instruction pipeline architecture. With the pipeline full, some instruction can be executed in the shortest time of one state running from internal program memory and two states running from external program memory. Compared with the shortest time of 6 states per mission cycle for the 8xC51FX, the instruction throughput time for the 8xC250SP has been improved significantly. And then this microcontroller CPU also designed with a register-based architecture, 40-byte general-purpose register file capable of byte, word or double word register addressing can also be used for register-to-register operations. And then last but not least, find whether processor level parallelism is available in the element selected, illustrate cache coherence and protocol used for handling memory hit or miss. Okay, hit it or miss it. Here you can see instruction read cycle page mode, stated total time you can see here. And then here the first picture, bottom there is a p0 and p2 and then psn, sen and ale xtel. Okay, frequency. Here the page miss and page hit are there. Okay, and then last is the external code fetch bus cycle page mode. Here you can see what cycle 1, the two state is covering for a page miss, and the last state 3 is the page hit. Okay, these two picture I pasted to my data sheet. This my document I will took some points in my data sheet. I referred the alldatasheet.com. If you want you can refer, otherwise leave it. But I am apologies too. I didn't show any graph, any drawing, because I am handling with my phone, so I am unable to show how to draw the block diagram or diagram in my laptop. Sorry for the inconvenience. And thank you very much uh, for your support, and thank you.